Hey guys, it's Britttany Monroe with ERA Suncoast Realty. Today I'm at 5161 North Teak Way in Beverly Hills, Florida, located in the beautiful equestrian community of Pine Ridge, Florida. It's a really well-established neighborhood and everyone in this neighborhood has at least a 1-acre lot. Today we're going to be checking out this home that recently came on the market. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage home with an oversized Florida room and a fully fenced backyard. There will be a new roof coming onto this house here within the next couple weeks, and it's currently listed for $219,900. If you would like more information about this home, give me a call at 352-507-5675. Now this is the entrance to the garage, and there is a large master bedroom here, and this is a walk-in closet. You have access to the sunroom out these sliding glass doors. Here is the master bathroom. Good sized guest bedroom. The main bathroom. Another good sized bedroom. Here we have the oversized Florida room. You can open all these windows up. Just an awesome backyard. Here we have a covered area for your barbecue grill or just some patio furniture. And a really, really large fenced-in backyard. I think I mentioned this home is situated on over an acre. Thanks for joining me on this tour of 5161 North Teak Way in Beverly Hills, Florida. Again, if you would like more information on this home or would like to take a tour, give me a call at 352-507-5675.